You've probably heard the term digital marketing and how it's important for your business. But what exactly is digital marketing? How is it done? Why should you do it for your business? These are some of the questions I am going to be answering in this video. I made this video for beginners in digital marketing, people who want to venture into digital marketing for their businesses, but they don't know how or where to start or what exactly it involves. So what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of digital channels and devices to promote a product. Digital platforms can involve search engines like Google. They can be social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and so on. Digital marketing also involves the use of digital devices like TVs, radios, and billboards. Now, if you're wondering why digital marketing is important for your business, there are several reasons why you should be marketing your business on digital platforms. Number one thing is that almost everybody today is searching for products and making purchases online through digital platforms or channels. Like for instance, if I wanted a shoe, if I wanted a car, what I'll do, I'll come to YouTube or go to Instagram, go to Facebook, TikTok, and look for the people who are selling that particular product. Then from there, I can evaluate and see who has the best deal or who should I buy from. So as a small business owner, you cannot rely on walk-in customers today. Things have changed. People shop online today. So you need to have a presence on digital marketing platforms. You need to be marketing your business on social media and other digital marketing platforms so that you can be known by people who are looking for the product that you are selling. Another reason why you should consider digital marketing, and this is one of the reasons why I love digital marketing. Like you could be a small brand that is not even known and you can start marketing on social media platforms. You don't need such a huge budget to start marketing your business. So any small business owner watching this right now, this is a sign for you to start marketing your business on digital platforms because it's not as expensive when compared to traditional methods. In the past, the only way you could market is maybe use a video, use a billboard, or use a TV, and those are very expensive methods. But today you can simply start marketing your business on social media, which is not a very difficult thing for you to do. Before I continue, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. This will go a long way in enabling me to reach more people who could benefit from this kind of content that I am creating here. So now I want to discuss some of the digital marketing methods that you can consider for your business. Number one, and the most easy one to start with, is social media marketing. Social media marketing means promoting your products on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. By doing that, the people that you're targeting or your target audience will easily find your business, which is an advantage to you. The other digital marketing method that you can consider for your business is content marketing. Content marketing means creating valuable and informative content that is relevant for your target audience. When you do that, it helps you be known as the authority or expert in that field, and that's how you're going to stimulate a buyer's interest in your product or the services that you sell. So content marketing, we normally do it on social media platforms. We also do it on website, YouTube, and so forth. The type of digital marketing method that you can consider for your business is search engine optimization. Have you ever heard of search engine optimization or SEO? Let me know in the comment section. So SEO basically means improving the visibility of your website so that it ranks higher in the search engine results page. So like for instance, when you go to search for a shoe on Google, you'll have all these websites coming up, and some of them rank high because they've implemented this technique of search engine optimization. Now, if you're just a beginner, this could be a technical term, but really it isn't. The other digital marketing method that you can consider for your business is influencer marketing. Now, influencer marketing means working with popular, well-known individuals in your industry to market your product. I'm sure you've seen a lot of influencers in Kenya or in the country that you live in, and some of them can help you promote the awareness of your brand. so they can create content, post it on their pages, and market your products. The last type of digital marketing method I want to talk about is the pay-per-click method. Pay-per-click method is a form of advertising where the advertiser pays a fee every time their ad is clicked and people go to their website. So this is a form of advertising that we normally use when we are doing Google ads. Have you heard about Google ads? If it's a new term, don't worry. This is something that I can show you. I can show you how to do Google ads, and also I'm going to be creating more content on this. So these are the types of digital marketing methods that you can consider. You might be wondering, where do you get started with marketing your business on digital platforms as a beginner? Now, the number one thing that I would want you to do is, first of all, research where are the people that are marketing on which platforms are my target audience on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter. What platform are they on? Then once you identify, let's say your audience is on Instagram, start marketing on that platforms, because honestly, the social media platforms, digital marketing platforms are so many, and it can be overwhelming for you. Now, if you try to be everywhere, it will be quite challenging. So my advice will be, start with one platform, master it, and then gradually continue to expand your presence in other platforms. So once you've discovered, let's say it's Instagram, go there, set up your page, then start marketing virally on that platform. If you're just getting started with marketing your business on social media or digital platforms and you're not sure about how to go about it, I'm here to help. So I offer training whereby I teach beginners on the fundamentals of advertising on Facebook and Instagram. So I teach you content creation, I teach you social media management, I teach you how to create a digital marketing strategy for your business and all that. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can go and check out our social media marketing training. Hope this video was helpful. Until next time, bye.